Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings, open System Display now. Once done, locate Brightness and Color near the top. This is where you control screen light. If you're on a laptop, plug in power first so Windows unlocks full brightness options, and make sure Adaptive Brightness is off for manual control. You're doing this to get consistent luminance quickly, so don't worry about color profiles yet. We'll adjust only brightness in the next steps. Now move the brightness slider slowly until the screen matches what you need. Small changes matter. You can also open Action Center, click the notification icon, and use the Quick Brightness tile for quicker adjustments. If you want warmer color at night, enable Night Light. This reduces blue light and eases eye strain. Make sure power settings don't override your choice. Check Power and Sleep or Advanced Power Plan settings so the slider behaves predictably when on battery or plugged in. Finish by confirming the brightness change persists after a restart. This ensures no temporary profile blocked the setting. If the slider is missing or has no effect, open Device Manager and check your display adapter, update or roll back the driver, then reboot. If updates fail, switch to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter temporarily to restore control, and then reinstall the OEM driver. A quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.